Science and faith have long been viewed as opposing forces, but when we explore the study of science, especially physics, we find a path that can lead to both earthly satisfaction and a greater understanding of our spiritual connection to the universe. In the book of Genesis, we find an awe-inspiring account of the origin of the world, where God is revealed as the ultimate source of all creation. He spoke the very words of engineering that brought everything into existence. What is truly remarkable about this creation story is the sequential order in which God created each element, ending with the affirmation that everything he made was beautiful and purposeful. This stands in contrast to the confusion and uncertainty that ancient Greek philosophers and scientists had about the shape of the earth. Some believed it was flat, but none could provide a satisfactory answer. Yet thousands of years before them, the prophet Isaiah revealed that God sitteth upon the circle of the earth. Isaiah 40:22. These irrefutable facts from the Bible's version of creation hold the potential to save humanity from unnecessary labor and confusion. As we delve into the world of science, we are constantly amazed by the intricate design and engineering that God has displayed in his creation. From the beginning, he made and holds the entire universe in his hands. In just 6 days, God carefully constructed and perfected his tentative design, needing no upgrade or improvement. It is a testament to his limitless power and wisdom. And as we continue to explore and learn about the universe, we are presented with opportunities to unravel its mysteries that will remain viable and relevant until the very end. Science meets faith in the birthing of the Triune physics, where we can witness the beauty of God's creation and connect it with our own understanding of the world. This fusion of science and faith opens up a whole new realm of possibilities and invites us to dig deeper into the wonders of the universe, always keeping in mind the divine hand that brought it all into existence. Welcome to the world of Triune physics. This book is designed to help you understand the basic principles of physics in an easy and organized way. By breaking down physics topics into 3 groups, we can see the significance of numbers in both physics and the Bible. In biblical numerology, the number 7 symbolizes completion or perfection, while the number 3 represents harmony, new life, and completeness. Even in nature, we can see God's design and how numbers operate. Just as we study and understand physics, we can also see the evidence of God's existence in the world around us. Ultimately, physics is a product of God's intentions and teaches us about the realities of life's actions. Just as we can practice physics without stress, we should strive to live a life of righteousness with intent and content. The concept of triune physics, or triunity, draws inspiration from the scriptures, where it reflects the trio of length, mass, and time working together as fundamental components. When explored further, we see the existence of solid, liquid, and gas in a singular state, just like the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost exist in perfect unity as the triune God. The dimensions of all known substances fall back to the trio of mass, length, and time, much like the 3 distinct personalities of the Godhead. Just as energy becomes the commonality for the trio, in physics, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost are united in one, perfectly separate and yet perfectly united. The central theme of both triune physics and the triune God is unity and infinity, revealed through different dimensions and eras, reflecting the truth of their existence. In this textbook, the main purpose is to show how Jesus Christ manifests in every aspect of our lives. It is fitting for him, who created and controls all things, to bring many of us to glory by perfecting the captain of our salvation through suffering Hebrews 2:10 KJV. Just as their mission of physics is to improve how tasks are done in the universe, Christ's death is revealed in the redemption of mankind from all corners of the earth to better our lives for eternity. See John 10:16. We must join in spreading this message. See Matthew 28:19-20. As carriers of this book, our continuous motion means staying busy in service of our purpose, working until we reach our destination with our original intentions intact. Everyone should know that there is a God greater than the wonders of science, technology, and artificial intelligence. The truly blind person is one who marvels at the universe, but fails to see God in it. Motivation is key in creation, as it is driven by a mission embedded in our actions. Despite the commotions and obstacles we face, we must hold on to our intentions and let them guide us towards new inventions. Paying attention to these innovations will foster a deeper affection for them. So let us rise and shine as watchers, striving for excellence and glory. Go, grow, and glow. Soar to success and significance through the Triune God. Stand and deliver in conclusion. And this is what we speak, not in words taught us by human wisdom, but in words taught by the Spirit, expressing spiritual truths in spiritual words. 1 Corinthians 2:13 BSB. Though we may not see all of God, everything we see persuades us of His grandeur as He continues to raise up physicists. Believing in the biblical account of creation strengthens our faith in a mighty God who beautifully crafted the world. When we marvel at the beauty of creation, we cannot help but conclude that it is the work of a skillful designer who can both beautify and sustain us, the crown of His creation. For it is fitting for Christ, through whom all things exist, and by whom all things exist, to bring many sons, including you, to glory and perfect the captain of our salvation through suffering, Jesus Christ Himself. Hebrews 2:10 KJV.
Connect to our social media handles at Physics Bible, the Triune Physics, for latest update. Thanks for joining us. Stay equipped, stay liquid.